एकविंशः सर्गः The 21st chapter तस्य तद्वचनं श्रुत्वा सीता रौद्रस्य रक्षसः आर्तादीनस्वरादीनं प्रत्युवाच शनैर्वचः. Upon hearing those words of the ferocious Rakshasa, the distressed Devi Sita replied slowly in a sorrowful tone. दुःखार्ता रुदती सीता वेपमाना तपस्विनी चिन्तयन्ती वरारोह पतिमेव पतिव्रता तृणमन्तरतः कृत्वा प्रत्युवाच शुचिस्मिता. Afflicted by sorrow, tears streaking down her face and trembling, the austere yet beautiful Devi Sita, thinking only of her husband, placed a blade of grass between herself and Ravana and spoke thus with a gentle smile on her face. Nivartaya manumattaha svajani kriyatam manaha namam prarthayitum yuktam susiddhimiva papakrit. Turn your mind away from me and fix it upon your own wives. It does not befit you to seek me, just as a sinner is not fit to seek attainments. Akaryam na maya karyameka patnya vigarhitam kulam sampraptaya punyam kule mahati jataya. This vile and improper deed must not be performed by me, a devoted and monogamous wife, born in a great lineage, who joined yet another great family. Eva muktva tu vaidehi Ravanam tam yashasvini Rakshasam prishthatah krutva bhuyo vachanam abravit. Speaking thus to Ravana, the glorious Devi Vaidehi turned her back to the Rakshasa and started addressing him once again. नाहमौपायिकी भार्या परभार्या सती तव साधु धर्ममवेक्षस्व साधु साधुव्रतञ्चर. I, who am another's wife, is not to be made your own through your efforts. See the right path of dharma and follow the right and pious way of life. यथा तव तथान्येषां दारा रक्ष्या निशाचर आत्मानमुपमां कृत्वा स्वेषु दारेषु रम्यताम्. O Rakshasa who roams in the night, you must protect the dignity of others' wives just as you would protect your own. Place yourself in comparison to others and rejoice with your own wives. अतुष्टं स्वेषु दारेषु चपलञ्चलितेन्द्रियं नयन्ति निकृतिप्रज्ञं परदाराः पराभवम्. Not content with your own wives, your senses are steering you away from them. They have hijacked your mind and are taking you towards your own humiliation at the hands of others' wives. Iha santo na vasanti sato va nanuvartase tatha hi viparitate buddhirachara varjita. There are no pious ones in this place, and neither do you follow the righteous ones. That is why your mind has become fickle and lacks proper conduct. Vacho mithya pranitatma पथ्यमुक्तं विचक्षणैः राक्षसानामभावाय त्वं वा न प्रतिपद्यसे. O one with a deluded mind, it is said that the words of those who are sensible and perceptible are to be followed. Of course, you would not agree to the non-existence of Rakshasas. Akritatmanamasadya राजानमनये रतं समृद्धानि विनश्यन्ति राष्ट्राणि नगराणि च. In the hands of a king who is engaged in improper deeds, Even prosperous and wealthy cities and kingdoms perish. Tatheyam tvam samasadya Lanka ratnaughasankula aparadhat tavaikasya nachirad vinashishyati. In the same way, this city of Lanka, endowed with heaps of jewels, shall be subject to destruction very soon, just because of your mistake alone. Svakrutairhanyamanasya Ravanadirghadarshinaha Abhinandanti bhutani Vinashe papakarmanaha. All creatures shall rejoice your downfall and destruction, which befalls you because of your own misdeeds and short-sightedness. Evam tvam papakarmanam Vakshyanti nikrita janaha Dishtyai prapto Raudra ityeva harshitaha. Those who suffered loss and humiliation because of you shall feel glad upon your downfall and rejoice, saying, finally an evil man has met his doom. Shakya lobhayitum nahamaishwaryena dhanena va Ananya raghavenaham bhaskarena prabhayatha. I cannot be lured through power or riches. I am inseparable from Raghava, like radiance is from the sun. Upadhaya bhujantasya lokanathasya satkritam kathan namopadhasyami bhujamanyasya kasyachit. Having rested on the virtuous shoulders of that Lord of the world, how will I ever take to anyone else's arm? Ahamaupayiki bharya tasyaiva vasudhapatehe vratasnatasya viprasya vidyeva viditatmanaha. I can only be the wife of that ruler of the earth alone, like how true knowledge can only be attained by a rigorous practitioner who realizes the self. Sadhu Ravana Ramena Mam samanaya dukkhitam Vani vashitaya sardham Karen veva gajadhipam. O Ravana, the only proper thing for you to do is to reunite me, who is in sorrow, with Rama, like how one would reunite a she-elephant who is lost in the wilderness with her mate. Mitramaupayikam kartum Ramasthanam paripsata Vadhanchanichhata ghoram Tvaya saupurusharshabha. If you wish to keep your stature and do not wish to die a terrible death, it is best that you try and make friends with Rama, the best of men. Viditah sahi dharmagnyah Sharanagata vatsalah Tena maitri bhavatu te Yadi jivitumicchasi. He is perceptive, knowledgeable, and is compassionate towards those who seek refuge. May you build friendship with him if you wish to stay alive. Prasadayasvatvanchainam Sharanagata vatsalam Mam chasmai niyato bhutva Niryatayitumarhasi. O Ravana, try and please him who is compassionate towards those who seek refuge. Control your senses within yourself and return me to him. Evam hite bhavet swasti Sampradaya raghuttame Anyathatvam hi kurvanu Vadham prapsyasi Ravana. This is the only way you can attain well-being, by returning me to the best of the Raghavas. If you do anything else, you will only attain to death. Varjayed vajramutsrishtam Varjayedantakaschiram Tvadvidhantu na sankruddho Lokanathassa Raghavaha. A lightning bolt may spare its target, Lord Yama may spare one for a long time, but an enraged Raghava, who is the Lord of the world, will never spare someone like you. Ramasya dhanusha shabdam Shroshyasi tvam mahasvanam Shatakratu visrishtasya Nirghoshamashaniriva. You will hear the terrible twang of Rama's bow, which resembles the mighty rumble of the thunderbolt of Lord Indra. Iha shighran suparvanu Jvalitasya ivo ragaha Ishavo nipatishyanti Rama Lakshmana Lakshanaha. Soon the famed arrows, which look like flaming serpent heads, set forth by Rama and Lakshmana, will rain down upon this place. Rakshansi parinighnantaha Puryam asyam samantataha Asampatam karishyanti Patantah kankavasasaha. Those feather-tipped arrows, which are unstoppable, shall slay Rakshasas all across this city. Rakshasendra mahasarpan Sarama garudo mahan Uddharishyati vegena Vainateya hivo ragan. Just as Garuda, the son of Vinata, exterminates the serpents, Rama too shall swiftly put an end to these great serpents who are the Rakshasa chiefs. Upanishyati mam bharta Tvatta shighramarindamaha Asurebhya shriyan deeptam Vishnustribhirivakramaihi. My husband, the vanquisher of enemies, will soon take me away from you, just as Lord Vishnu in the form of Vamana took back the glowing wealth of the worlds in just 3 strides. Janasthani hatasthani Nihate rakshasam bale Ashaktena tvaya rakshaha Kritametadasadhuvai. O Rakshasa, when the strength of the Rakshasas was uprooted at Janasthana in the Dandaka forest, out of your incompetence you performed this deceitful act. Ashramantu tayoh shunyam Pravishya narasimhayoho Gocharangatayor bhratro rapanitatvayadhama. O lowly creature, when those 2 lion among men were absent at our ashrama, without facing those brothers, you took me away by deceit. Nahi gandhamupaghraya Rama Lakshmanayostvaya Shakyan sandarshane sthatum Shuna Shardulayoriva. If you had smelled the presence of Rama and Lakshmana there, you would never have been able to even visit that place, like a dog that had smelled the presence of 2 tigers. Tasya te vigrahetabhyam yugagrahanamasthiram vritrasyevendra bahubhyam bahorekasya vigrahe. For such a creature like you, victory is impossible in a battle with those 2, just like how the serpent with a single arm, Vritrasura, was no match for both the arms of Indra. Kshiprantavasanatho me Rama saumitrina saha Toyamalpamivadityaha Prananadasyate sharaihi. My Lord Rama, along with Lakshmana, the son of Sumitra, shall take your life away in no time, like how the sun dries up a small puddle of water. Girim kuberasya gato thavalayam Sabhangato va varunasya rajnyaha Asanshayan dasharather namokshyase Mahadrumah kalahato shaniriva. Even if you go seek refuge in Kubera's abode, the mountain, even if you hide in Varuna's abode, the ocean, You can definitely not escape from the sons of King Dasharatha, just as a large tree cannot escape a lightning strike. Ityarshe Srimad Ramayane Sundarakande Ekavimsha Sargah. Thus, the 21st chapter in Sundarakanda of Valmiki Ramayanam is complete.